I've attended 3 to 4 courses earlier, but nobody had trained me in such a way. Dr. Sapna ma'am had trained me so nice and really, really, really satisfied. Satisfied on scale of 1 to 10, 10 to 10.
Very compact course which is covering lots of hands-on, which I suppose nobody is covering. At the same time, nobody wants to cover kind of thing, but she covers it in detail and gives you a hands-on experience, and plus acclimatization with the machinery, which is very, very important.
Highly recommended this course and I came here. And I'm very happy that I got sufficient hands-on. All my doubts, whatever I asked, was patiently heard and everything was clear. So you can just name any facial procedure and we had performed it on which. So above after preparatory has given me support saying that I will be standing there, I will be your backbone. It gives me a lot of confidence that I can go ahead with something because I have my mentor with.
फिर जाने के बाद मैं थी प्रैक्टिस को और फिनिश कर पाऊंगा.
I can't recommend anything to you. People are awesome.
Right that I came right before I'm starting. I'm well equipped, I can see.
I would say if you want to understand how to get into this practice and introduce it totally into your current running practice, this is the course to go for.
My name is Dr. Abhinav Niyog. I'm from Guwahati, just from the state of Assam. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon by profession.
Dr. Baldev, working as a general surgeon in Punjab, in the city of Pathankot.
वैसे डॉक्टर नीरज दोसाने. I am practicing dermatology in.
Hi, I am Dr. Seema Rathi, now implantologist from Government College, Mumbai, practicing since past 25 years.
Myself, Dr. Rishita Jakhanwal. I'm practicing in Pune. Hello, I'm Dr. Pavitra. I'm from Bangalore. Hi, I'm Dr. Veena Vaghela. I am Dr. Siddhi Prabhu, practicing in Mumbai in Rancho area. I know about her from many of my juniors and my seniors attending her courses and seeing them rise in this field. So it was very much motivating for me. There are going to be less participants and more time is distributed and more time is allotted for each participant for hands-on. Yeah, I had no clue about what this procedure is about and how I'm going to go about with it. No idea of equipment, either it's nose job, it's liquid rhinoplasty, ageless procedures. But Dr. Sapna has covered everything from the basics, from how to use each and every material, the solutions, the medicines, to in post-care, the equipments, the price list, the prices of treatments. She's covered A to Z, everything, and on all type of patients, including facial threads, that is lifting, Botox, fillers, importance, treatment plans, chemical peels, and various types of lasers, including fractional lasers, carbon peels, then HIFU, chin lift, face lift, everything. We also saw a lot of products here. We also got recommendations for all the products that are used but highly recommended good products. So we got, and we'll be getting support on that also. So that's one thing that happened here. So now I know that this product can be given to bottles. And also I got a lot of things like prescription and also consent forms. All these are also given. Means I had not expected these to be served so ready-madely for a student. I now have everything ready to start my clinic. I had a lot of questions regarding marketing, how the marketing should be managed in this field and all. So how to compete with everybody, how to come in the market. So that was a full complete session taken by Jay.
The business prospect was also like an additional boon that I gave and got to know about this course. How to upsell and how better at the best packages I can offer to my client never come to us.
How the marketing aspect should be taken care of, which is again a must in this kind of practice which is required. So it's all about experience, result, and your what benefits you are getting out of it.
Everything was about face evaluation. But how it happened before the course and how it happened on day one, till the last day, it was totally different. So in fact, we understood everything that we grossly understood on day one, and then all the final nuances of face evaluation, so that in the end we could actually plan a case so well that Dr. Sapna, I think, really would be proud of us.
The completion of the course, I am very confident about many procedures.
Tomorrow only I can go and I can take the patients and I can give my 100%. She trained me very well. Sapna is very good. I have no doubts in her. She is excellent doctor and she is genuine with her work. She's very hardworking woman, which I have seen, and she will answer every doubt you have, no matter how silly it is, no matter how deep it is, no matter how many times you have asked her. She will keep responding to your doubts. There are many other courses, to be honest, but why I connected with Dr. Sapna was because I felt that she's very genuine.
He's an amazing teacher, excellent teacher. That's what I can recommend to the other people.
Most important thing for me is I should be convinced of the change or the transformation that I could make on patients. So we were not only on patients, we were allowed to perform on ourselves. So we could see the instant transformation on ourselves itself. So that was very motivating and so was perfect. I'd be really happy.
पर एक सौ बताऊँगा कि अगर आपको कॉस्मेट का ट्रेनिंग लेना है तो दिस इज द ओनली राइट प्लेस टू गेट ट्रेन वेरी वेल.
This is the future. You cannot divide one from another. If you want to give a complete package to your patient, if a patient comes into your practice, we have to see it that with smile designing, you are giving a happy face as well.
Really enjoyed being here with everyone and with Jay and Sapna and yes.
If you want to learn something, and I'm sure, like, if you have the interest of asking and clarifying your doubts, you can just walk to them and they're always ready to answer you.
Anyone and everyone should quit.
They're excellent teaching, excellent teaching. I'm so happy after learning from this place. I will keep on coming back.
And I recommend to all the other doctors as well, please come here and take up this course, and she's amazing. Yeah, this is the way to go. Thanks.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's the confidence I got.
This is something you want to promise yourself that you are giving it to your patient. Your patient should not be falling short of receiving the treatment because you don't know certain procedures. So guys, just get up, tighten your belt and go and learn.